So here it is. It finally arrived. And this is... Let's go on screen. We'll come back in. So here it is. The Xbox Series X finally arrived today. And I was really surprised it came in, especially because this was ordered from Amazon. And I've seen a lot of people getting delays, sometimes up to weeks to months from Amazon about the Series X not coming in. I'm very fortunate, I guess. Mine shipped on time, arrived on time, and today we're just going to do an unboxing for it. This is the first time I've done an unboxing with this kind of a situation. So, look at this box, though. Let's take a look at the outside before we go on the inside. Very solid looking construction on the outside here. Reminds me of the Xbox One X, which I have one. So the color scheme in the box itself is great. Good old Master Chief, not here yet. He's delayed. Feel bad for him. I was really hoping he was going to be here. Great looking. Looks like we have a design of peel off the corners. Ooh. Here's a little. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. I don't want to damage up the box too much. I'm one of those weird people that likes to keep their box. Mainly in case I ever decide to sell it or get rid of it. I have everything to give to somebody. So how do we open this bad boy? Oh, there we go. Is that something? Oh gosh, we got a Pandora's box here. Oh, there's something along the bottom as well. We have two along the bottom. Ooh, one. I won't keep the stickies, but just kind of keeping them in a place right now. Two. So now we just kind of lift up. Oh, probably lifts this way. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier. Woo! Look at that. Look at that construction. Great, great solid here. We got the system, obviously. It kind of reminds me of what NVIDIA does with their graphics cards. This kind of unboxing. You're not just unboxing a console. You're unboxing an item of luxury. And they kind of give it this feel. Let's go. Yeah, this is definitely like NVIDIA here. Woo! We got a little card down below. What's this? What's this? Oh, to hang on your doorknob. Now, just additional support over your device. Little get starting guide. Weird. I must have. Oh, that probably came out from the front here. So you were to pull it out like that. Cute. Take it. What we got in the box here? It's probably all the peripherals. Oh yeah. 2-prong. Really wish they would have went maybe 3-prong just to get that grounding in her. Is that necessary? I don't know. Who cares? Beauty of an HDMI cable. Ultra high speed. Look at that. Ultra high speed. An HDMI cable. Got our controller. We'll open up the controller here in a minute. Product registry guide. I think that's it. Yeah, looks like that's it for in here. Box that back up, all nice and pretty. Maybe. I'll do it later. Take a look at the controller. Oh. Double A's. I'm okay going double A's. You know, I'm indifferent on batteries versus rechargeables. Duracell. Not for individual sale. Not for resale. Don't sell these, kids. Yeah. I've been a big fan of the Xbox's controller for many years. Even while I was playing the majority of my games on the PlayStation. I missed the Xbox's controller. It just felt good in my hands. Nothing against the DualShock 4, but I like the Xbox, and I have an Elite controller that I use all the time. So I'm fine with AA's. Definitely gives it some weight. It feels it's got like a matte finish. I like that matte finish. A little bit of textured grip on here. Kind of a hybrid of the original Xbox One controller and the Elite controller. You get this kind of grip feel here. The D-pad, I love the new design on the D-pads because this pulls right from the Elite controller. For fighting games, for specific inputs, this is great. Thank you, Xbox, for bringing that over to the standard controllers. USB-C charging. Love it. Come on, what are we waiting for? Ooh, she's a big boy. Oh boy, she heavy. Oh, that's a spicy meatball. Oh my. This is really cool looking. I might just get my 1X just for comparisons. Oh my. Oh my. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at that. She is pretty. It's actually it's skinnier this way than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a little wider. Honestly, I was expecting it to be wider. Wow. So, a couple things, yeah, right off the bat, very streamlined design, very PC-like. And actually, they put the feet. They have your little rubber feeties here, so if you want to lay it on its side. That might fit in, so this is an IKEA top, as you see here. I don't know if that'll fit vertically or not. First of all, kind of comparisons for size. Almost, maybe just a hair taller than the Series X. Man, that's really close. Let's see if I can get it. Oh yeah, it's maybe a millimeter taller than the 1X. And sharp looking. Sharp, sharp. Again, I love the Series X. I really had no problems with her. She's been a great console. Obviously on the front here, got that same kind of USB port for charging, your sync button, and then your disc tray, power button. Your bottom here has your built-in stand. I was actually watching SpawnWave and they were showing that you could remove this. Very interesting. A little bit of work has to be done, but it can come off. Backside, beautiful. So, I'm going to blur out the serial number in case you guys see it or not. So we have the power connector down below. See if you guys can see that a little bit. It's my first time doing a video like this, so I apologize. HDMI out, your expansion storage slot, 2 USBs, Ethernet, power cord, same circle design on the back for your air. Very interesting design. Very interesting design. That is beautiful looking. I love the little shiny green, so I'm going to get it up front here. You get that little shine of green coming through at just the right angles. I don't know if it'll come through or not. I love that. Some people were thinking that it was originally going to light up. I'm okay with it not. I want to let you guys know if it'll fit in there. This is a pretty popular desk I see or a storage for consoles that people have. So we're going to find out if that actually fits in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she fits vertically. Now, it's got about maybe an inch to an inch and a half of clearance from the top. Let's try horizontal. Ooh, both ways. It's going to be a tight fit. Yeah, it's about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Oh. But yeah. What a fantastic looking console. Again, this is a work of technology. I love it. It's different. It's unique looking in its own aspects. This obelisk, monolith style, big block. I love it. So yeah, that was the unboxing for the Xbox Series X. I plan to do one for the PS5, so expect to see that in a day or two when that launches. Hopefully that one comes in on time. Fingers crossed. I'm excited to get playing some games on it. So, on that note, thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you can, give the video a like. It does help me out quite a bit. Also, check out the channel because they have tons of videos going on over there. And so next time, you guys, stay frosty.